Hey, what's going on guys? Beastwolf here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install shaders to your Minecraft 1.15.2. So the first thing you want to do is install Minecraft, the latest version right now, which is 1.15.2. Okay, you want to click play. You want to make sure it downloads. Once it's done downloading, I'll be right back. You're gonna need a good PC to run these shaders. So if you don't have a good PC, just try to find the lightest shader pack you can find and just test it out, see if it could work. Okay guys, so now that Minecraft is open, all you want to do is just quit the game. Okay, so next thing, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to download Optifine. Okay, this is the preview version. So you just want to open up Optifine, click install. Alright, just give it a second. When it says Optifine is successfully installed, click OK. Okay, so now that you've installed Optifine, you want to click on Minecraft, right? So now this is really important. You want to click here and you want to go to Optifine. Make sure you select the Optifine profile, because if you don't, it's not going to work. So now just click play, give it a second, it should load up. Alright guys, so now that it's loaded up, all you want to do is you want to click on options, and then you want to click on video settings, then you want to go to shaders. And over here you want to open your shaders folder, okay? Then over here you want to take the shaders that you have and put them in the shaders pack. Then you just cross it out. You'll see it'll pop up here. You click on it, and then you wait, and then that should be it. So now what you want to do is you just want to click single player, create a new world. I'm going to show you guys that it works. Alright guys, so now that it's opened up, you can see that shaders have installed successfully. There's no problem. Over here, if you want, I can make my screen a little bigger for you guys. Okay, as you can see, it looks good with the shaders. Like I said, you don't have to get these exact shaders. I will leave a link in the description for these shaders for you guys to download. So if you guys want, just go ahead, click that link. These are good shaders. I like them. But any shaders that are compatible with the version 1.15.2 should work. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. It's an easy tutorial for you guys that are wondering how to install shaders. Alright guys, see you later.